Hi everybody, this is Ron, better known as Gadget Man, of course, coming to you again with another success story for the Gadget Man Group. Now this time we're working on a 2004 Dodge Ram 1500. And I'll start with showing you the emissions on this vehicle, which, as you can see, is really respectable. Zero hydrocarbons, zero NOx, zero carbon monoxide. Anytime you get zeros is a good thing. All right. Now I want to let the owner of the vehicle, his name is Mike, introduce himself to you. Would you care to introduce yourself, Mike? Yes. All right. So Mike, first of all, tell us about your truck.
My truck's an 04 Dodge Ram 1500. It's been very sluggish. It has been very underpowered, it seems to me. I'm used to a lot more power out of a vehicle, being a bigger Dodge truck owner that It's a lot more responsive now that I have this in it. It picks up a lot better. It just feels like it's running a lot better than it did before. And without having to floor it, it picked up speed a lot faster. It just got to my cruising speed a lot nicer than having to put my foot into it, which I know automatically will save you fuel mileage to begin with.
So overall, are you satisfied with the results on your engine?
Oh, 100%, yes.
Now, what would you say to other 2004 Dodge owners out there that see this video?
Anytime you have a vehicle that isn't running right, and you can have somebody install anything on it that will increase your horsepower, your gas mileage, and decrease all your emissions on everything, you have to do it. And I would encourage anybody and everybody to put this modification on their vehicle. It's not anything you add on to it that will break or wear out or anything like that.